That's a short video on the CZ75 with the Kadet kit put on top. The CZ75 is a 9mm pistol. When you buy the Kadet kit, which is about 450 bucks, it comes ready to go. You just take the top of the slide off of your existing any 75 model, and then you just remove this. It comes with this piece right here. It's ready to go. It has an adjustable sight. Comes with I think it just comes with one mag, maybe two. Geez, I forgot now, but I have three. And they're a little bit pricey, these mags. They hold 10. So today we're going to fire for consistency. We want to see how well it shoots. I've had some failures to fire this in the past, and sometimes failed to eject. It's got to be well oiled, and that's probably my recommendation to anyone. Pretty cool looking piece though, I think. I'm shooting Aguila ammo today, and I'm shooting from 7 yards. And I'm going to do rapid fire. Hopefully you can see that target okay. And I'm gonna, if I have any failures, I'm just going to show that. And here we go. One failure to eject. So you just go safe, pop the safe up, then you rack the slide. Good. Ready to fire. That's it. Clear. So now let's bring it in. So I think not so bad in terms of, I mean, we're spraying all over the place, but that's pretty fast shooting. I'm no Michelek. But we had just one failure to eject, which I think is pretty good. You don't want to have any failures, but it's for a 22 conversion kit. That's not so bad. Thanks.